Leago and the gigantic planet. To my son, always remember that your heart makes you what you are. As Leago and Stella journeyed to a nearby solar system, they were in awe of the glowing planets spinning peacefully in their orbits. Suddenly, a shadow loomed over them, so vast it swallowed the light of the stars.
Leago, look! What is that? It's enormous!
In front of them was a planet so massive it seemed to stretch endlessly into space. Its surface sparkled with shimmering clouds of gas, and its deep voice rumbled like thunder.
Who dares come near me? I am the biggest and the most significant and magnificent planet in this galaxy. Others pale in comparison to my size and might.
Whoa, it's huge and kind of intimidating. Hello, great planet. You are impressive, but remember, being big doesn't make you the most important.
Oh, really? What makes you, a tiny boy, think you know what's important?
Leago smiled warmly, unfazed by the planet's booming voice. He reached into his satchel, pulling out a tiny, almost invisible mustard seed.
Do you see this? It's the smallest seed, barely noticeable. But when it's planted and cared for, it grows into one of the tallest, strongest trees in the world. God often uses small things to do extraordinary things.
That's just a seed. How can it compare to my size? I'm massive. I can block out starlight and swallow moons in my gravity. Surely, size is what matters most.
You think so? Let's consider something smaller than you, the planet Earth. It's tiny compared to you, yet it's filled with incredible things. People, animals, vast oceans and forests. Its importance doesn't come from its size, but from its purpose.
The big planet hesitated, its bright surface dimming slightly as it pondered Leago's words.
You're saying that even something small can be meaningful as long as it has a purpose?
Exactly. In God's eyes, it's not about how big or strong you are, but what's in your heart and how you fulfill your purpose. You might be big, but if you don't use your size to do something good, what's the point?
I've never thought of it that way. Maybe it's time I stop focusing on being the biggest and start figuring out what I can do to help fix the galaxy.
Remember, size doesn't define us. It's what we do with what we're given that matters most.
As they flew back to Lesedi, Leago looked out at the stars and whispered a prayer.
Dear God, thank you for teaching us that our worth is in our purpose, not our appearance. Help us always use what you've given us to do good.
God values what's in our hearts, not our size or strength. Our purpose is what makes us truly great.